Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. I hope you're all doing great. Welcome to this new video on Algorand, excuse me. Welcome to the channel if you're new, but we're going to do a full analysis on Algorand right now, on the current situation, what to expect. There's obviously a lot going on in the market right now. There's quite a lot of volatility and quite a lot of bullish momentum as well for certain coins, including Algorand. I think Algorand, if you compare to certain altcoins and in general the category that Algorand kind of fits in, older US-based coins, I think it's doing quite well. We bounced very nicely from the bottom of the range right here at the value area low. Right now we are testing the value area high at 40 cents. And ultimately we're very close to this resistance level here at let's say 44 cents. It's a little bit lower. But between 40 and 43 cents. That's our main resistance level. We're there. So far we have found resistance. However, you can also see down here, we're gaining some momentum. So there's definitely a possibility that we're going to break out. That's what I wanted to talk about. And in general, I mean, the volume is also going up nicely. So it's Algorand is definitely a coin. If you don't have it on your watch list, which I would doubt. Probably when you're watching this video, you do have it on your watch list and you're already bullish on Algorand. So I don't really have to make you bullish for it. But I do genuinely, if we just look at the facts, I think it's an interesting coin. We're gaining momentum, we're gaining spot volume, and we have a nice structure because the structure and by the way, before we talk about the structure, the fundamentals are also doing quite well. I mean, the TVL is now up to $370 million. Which is higher than the TVL we had the 25th of December, while the price is at the same levels. So what that means, if the TVL is higher right here, well, the price is at the same point of time, so TVL is this, that's a bullish divergence, because that basically means that the network is really growing. So the fundamentals for Algorand are also slightly bullish, I would say. But the structure so far, for the majority of the last month, has been a consolidation here between this level, let's call it 42 cents, but it's the area around it, between 42 cents and 32 cents right here. And we still had support at 30 cents, touched one time, but strong support did not really come into play. So this is the range. With the current momentum and with the current fundamentals, with the Trump administration coming into power next week, of course, I think it's most likely, and the market as well, I think it's most likely Bitcoin is going higher as well. I think Algorand can get in the top of the range, but then the big question comes, and I just covered Cardano, and there we have the same question. And that is, well, it's looking good right now, but is it looking good enough to actually get that breakout? Because what we want to see, and some of you right now might say, no, it's never going to happen, the market is not strong enough. And some of you might say, yes, of course we're going to break out. I mean, Algorand is an amazing project. Both could be true, but ultimately we have to stick to the facts, right? And the fact right now is that something like this is definitely possible. A move into 51, 52 cents after breaking above 42 cents, definitely possible, but at this moment, I don't see enough evidence. All right, and there's a couple of things that I want to look at. First of all, if we would want to do that, Bitcoin would need to be very strong, or like Bitcoin would need to get to 102,000, or the Bitcoin dominance needs to be very bearish. Both are at this point of time not true. Outside of that, I do think we're gaining nice momentum, and I do think that the volume is developing nicely. But I think we need more volume. Like the volume right now is at the same levels it was at when we were relatively bullish about 5 days ago. It's not enough to break out. So I need more volume. I need a stronger market for altcoins. All right. So Bitcoin doesn't necessarily need to be that much more bullish. And all of that is possible, right? With the Trump administration coming in, with the inflation rate data coming today, if that's bullish, we could definitely get that momentum. And that's why I think you need to be prepared for the breakout. But under the current circumstances and with the current data we have, I think it's most likely we'll find resistance and that we will drop back down to the bottom of the range. And that's me being realistic, whether you like it or not. All right. I'll keep you updated on this. For now, I think that's what you need to know. Keep an eye on the inflation rate data today. Keep an eye on Bitcoin. Keep an eye on the Algorand volume. If you do that, you'll be prepared for the breakouts, which I will be as well. But for now, that's what you need to know. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye.